jam sandwich and writing the instructions.
We are going to do today with a different topic. What's our title?
How to make a jam sandwich.
Very good. How to make a jam sandwich. Excellent. As we make the jam sandwich, you need to explain to me how to make a jam sandwich, and you need to show me step by step. Using your writing, please tell us and show us how to make the jam sandwich.
First, get 2 slices of bread. Second, spread some butter onto both slices. After that, use a knife to spread the jam on top of the butter. Then put 1 slice of bread on top of the other to make a sandwich. After that, cut the sandwich in half with the knife. Finally, eat it.
Good? Good job about how to make a jam sandwich. Thank you, Jinso. Excellent.